Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial in OpenBox channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install TubeBuddy in your YouTube channel, or how to add TubeBuddy in your YouTube channel. So if you don't know what is TubeBuddy, TubeBuddy is a management tool for your YouTube channel, and it's a very helpful tool for your YouTube channel. If you never use this tool TubeBuddy, you should start using TubeBuddy in your YouTube channel because this is very helpful. So to add TubeBuddy, you just have to go to the Google and search for TubeBuddy, and this is the first link here, TubeBuddy. Click on it. So after opening the website here, you just have to click on install free now, and it will show you the add-ons here. So if you want Chrome, if you want Chrome browser, it's all the same. I'm using Mozilla Firefox here, so it will say you to add to Chrome, so I'm just click on add to Firefox now, and it will download the software for you, and it will be automatically installed in your PC. Add TubeBuddy, it requires permission to click add here. Okay, got it. Now you can see it's added to the Firefox here. It will automatically add into Chrome browser if you're using Chrome browser. So if I go to the YouTube now, and you can see there's an extension here, and TubeBuddy sign in required. So you have to sign in with your YouTube channel to use the TubeBuddy tools. So click here and then just accept the privacy and policy and sign in with YouTube channel that you have, and then choose the email here that you have logged in with your YouTube channel. Then choose the channel from here which is under your Gmail account, and then just you have to click allow. It will access to your YouTube channel, and it is very safe. Don't worry guys, this is very safe for your YouTube channel. This is YouTube certified software, so just click allow. Every big YouTuber use this TubeBuddy, and now TubeBuddy is signed in. Here we can see successfully signed in. So that's it. That's how you install TubeBuddy here. So that's it guys, this is how you add TubeBuddy in your YouTube channel, and you can see there's a lot of stuff here you can use. So there's a lot of YouTube tutorial for TubeBuddy. You can watch that and you can know how to use TubeBuddy for your YouTube channel. There's a lot of things to grow for your YouTube channel here. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.